guys, welcome to another Pump.Fun video. Today I am extremely excited because the best tool to trade with actually just added Pump.Fun. And this is going to change the way you actually trade in Pump.Fun. It's going to make you super fast. You're going to be able to enter into trades faster than anybody else using anything else or any other application. Once again, I'll leave the link down below in the description so you guys can get in as quickly as you can. But it's going to make trading in Pump.Fun super easy, and it's going to allow you to make a lot of money. Now, remember, this is not financial advice, so do keep that in mind. And always, whenever you're in Pump.Fun, it's always going to be a gamble. You're going to need to know what coin you want to get invested in, but this is going to make your life extremely easy. So what exactly are we talking about? As you guys know, I shared two amazing tools for you guys to find some really good coins for Pump.Fun. But now I'm going to share a tool with you guys that's going to make your life easier. And that, my friends, is this one right here called Photon. Now, if you guys saw my video yesterday or a couple days ago, I talked about Photon and how this is the fastest way to get coins in Solana, but this is now the fastest way to get coins on Pump.Fun, because just yesterday, they actually added Pump.Fun into their system. So it's really cool. So let me show you guys exactly. So we go to Photon here. Once again, link down below in the description so you guys can get Photon. You're going to go, or if you want to know how to use it, check out that video as well. So the first thing you want to know is if you go to new pairs, you're going to get the stuff listed on Photon faster, shown here, than the actual Pump.Fun site. It's crazy. Now, the way you know it's a Pump.Fun, you click right here where it says show Pump.Fun, and that's going to show you the Pump.Fun. And you'll know it's a Pump.Fun because they have the little Pump.Fun pill here. And these are literally all the new pairs that had just been created. So one of the most important things that you want to do here is, if it's a new pair that just got created, you're going to be able to get in it quickly and hold that pair really easily. For example, this one, as you see right here, I'm seeing a lot of people are getting into that one. So I can literally go into this one, click on it. There's a Pump.Fun. I see a lot of people getting into this Gibape. I'm going to see if it has a website, if it has a Twitter. If it has stuff that I like, then I'm going to jump into it and get into it. If for some reason I don't like what I see, then I'm not going to get into it. And this is a good way to trade. As you see right there, we got a massive pullback right there. And we're able to see what, pretty much which coins are doing well. So let me remove this one because this is the one we showed yesterday. But that way you're able to know which ones are doing well. So we're going to keep looking here. I'm going to see if I can click on this one. So it's going to show me which ones have the highest, user transfer rate. I have the Pump.Fun. So this Whoop one is doing really good, but I can also filter and set this how I want this to do. So I could set the volume here. I could set the market cap. I can set this by TXNS. I can set this by the number of buyers. So it's really good. So if I want to be able to see really good ones, right? So I can click here with at least one social. That's going to be very important because I want to make sure that it's a Pump.Fun coin, that they at least, did a little bit of work. So look, we have this Winky one, right? So we go to this Winky one here. As you see, the trading is doing really well. The market cap, I think this actually already got out of Pump.Fun. Yeah. So this one got out of Pump.Fun already. We're going to go to new pairs and click here. And we're going to see the ones that are coming. So as you guys see, I click by here, but if I go actually by created, it's going to show me the ones that are being created. So I got cat boxes just got created, and I'm able to see how many people are joining as we go. Now, in addition to that, you're also able to go to trending. So if you want to go to trending and see the ones that are actually doing really well, you can click right here where it says show Pump.Fun. And as you see this one, this BIP 420 is doing really well. Okay. And once again, you can filter these by any way you want. So if I want to see this 4-1, I'm able to go in here and just take a look at it from here. And I'll be able to see how well it's doing, where's the market cap, and all of this without visiting Pump.Fun, which is really good. Now, you can literally go to Pump.Fun as well. And let's say you see a token that you like let's say, for example, this, this one right here. Instead of connecting your wallet in here or doing anything, all you got to do is copy the contract, okay? So we'll copy the contract here. And all we do is copy the contract, come in here, and no longer do we need to connect our wallet to Pump.Fun and have the fear that Pump.Fun gets hacked, it gets unlocked, and for some reason you can't withdraw your funds. You can literally trade from Photon and do all that great stuff. Now, the great thing I love about this is that you're able to see here that the coin is still in Pump.Fun. Now, when the coin gets out of Pump.Fun, so for example, let's go back to trending here. You're here, and let's say we get this one right here. you're going to see the little Raydium sign. So that means this coin was in Pump.Fun. It's now moving its way into Raydium. So now you're going to be able to trade. Now, I know one of the questions that a lot of you guys you probably have in mind is, once the coin is in Pump.Fun, so let's say I hold the coin in Pump.Fun, and the coin goes from Pump.Fun and it goes to Raydium, am I still able to keep the coin in here? The coin will remain within your inventory, so do keep that in mind, okay? So you're going to be able to do everything here. You're going to buy, sell. You can even set Insta Buy, and that will automatically buy for you guys, or Insta Sell, and that will automatically sell for you guys. So do keep that in mind, because this is going to be extremely helpful for whenever you're trading. So this is actually really, really good here. Once again, you're going to be able to do that within Photon. Now, the other great thing about this is that now you'll be able to filter really fast if the coin is worthy. So for example, let's say I click on this one. It's awesome because now I know it has a Twitter, it has a Telegram, and it has a website. So I can literally click on here, see, okay, this actually looks pretty dope. Okay, that looks dope. All right, so let me see what their Twitter's at. So everything I'm able to do, I'm actually able to do from within the Photon site. Now, if for some reason I want to go see what this actually looks on Pump.Fun, then I can literally just click your token, go to Pump.Fun here, and click here, and then just paste the contract, hit enter, and that's gonna give me the pretty much the coin, and I'm able to see the coin here and what it has. But the majority of the stuff I'm actually able to see from here. Now, in addition to that, you're also going to be able to see the data security. So as you see right here, it's telling you guys right now that 100% of the top holders hold the coin, and it's telling you what the pool of SOL is. It tells you everything. In addition to that, you're going to be able to do a little bit of investigation with here to see if this is a rugger. So you see here where it says pairs, you can literally click on that. That's going to open the SolScan account, and it's going to show you who created the account and if any money was actually transferred from that account. So it's actually a really effective tool to let you know what's going on. So it says here, it tells you 2 souls were actually put in here. It'll tell you what actually got bought, what got sent to what wallet, what got transferred. So it's really cool. So you don't have to do all this digging, all this investigation by yourself to identify if a coin is good or not. And you're able to see all of that here. Now, the great thing I love about this is when you click on new pairs, you can actually get into these really fast. And if you have really good conviction on a coin that you think is going to do really well, if you get really low there and the coin does exponentially well, you're going to earn a lot of profit. So I think this addition of being able to see the coin early before it gets to Pump.Fun and having to, go through this whole section right here, trying to find the coin. Here now, we're actually able to see when the coins are being created. In addition to that, we're also able to get into the coin really fast. And on top of that, we're able to not only be able to snipe the coin faster than anybody else that's using any other platform. Now, of course, you're going to have the right settings for that. So if you want to see a settings video, it's going to work a little bit different from Pump.Fun, but I'm going to show you what I currently have for me trading outside of Pump.Fun. And then if you guys want to see a Pump.Fun settings guide, let me know. I just don't want this video to go too long. So this is what I currently have for my normal trading. I have slippage as 1.05. I have the priority fee of 1. And then for the quick sale, I have 1.51. Now, the quick sale on Pump.Fun would probably have to be higher, but we'll have like a settings video if you guys do want to see that. So do keep that in mind. But you're able to do these. These are really good for normal trading. But for Pump.Fun, you just want to make sure you get in fast. You want to make sure you get out fast. So do keep that in mind. Now, I hope you found this video helpful, informative. If you did, do me the huge favor, guys. Drop a comment, drop a like. Don't forget to supercharge your crypto needs by hitting that like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.